So here we go. So out here, there are what we call the generative AI architecture. Now, for the work that we do in the stock market, you guys are very familiar with the first highest level, which are what we call the chip manufacturers. So the way to think about it is, on the y-axis is the barriers to entry. And because you want to set up a factory to build chips, very, very high barriers to entry, you need a heavy, big pile of investment. Then on the y-axis, on the x-axis, we're looking at the profit margin, all right? So as you move towards to the right, you are very profitable. That's the reason why all the chip manufacturers, the companies that we kind of invest in, from AMD, Intel, NVIDIA, TSMC, these guys are making the most money now. And I keep encouraging you guys to invest into semiconductor chips, including the designer, which we took part in the ARMS IPO, right? So this is the layer that we are talking about, the chip manufacturers layer. Then we start going into what is the essence of what is this whole thing about ChatGPT, all right? Now, that is what we call the foundational model, where different companies will start carving out their unique large language models, LLM. So you have been taught by me, there's only 3 really big ones out there: Microsoft ChatGPT, Google Bard, and then you have the Meta Llama. So these 3 are very powerful. That's driving the main source code that we are using today. And I'm going to add one more element here, which most people are really not aware about, and that is the WatsonX.ai. This is not designed like ChatGPT, because it's designed to have 100% complete privacy. That means the secret sauce is in how you write the prompt. How do you ask the question? So for WatsonX.ai, they don't disclose that. But I cannot tell you for ChatGPT, that is an open secret. All right, so every time you're using ChatGPT, they are understanding how you type the prompt, and they are understanding the answers that they show you, and whether you give a thumbs up or thumbs down. That's how they improve the intelligence of the large language model, right? Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this: we always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge, whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really, really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.